In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a content management system in Notion using a ready-made template. It's a quick way to organize blog posts, social media content, videos, and other projects. Let's get started. Open Notion and click Templates in the sidebar. In the template gallery, search for Content Management, Content Calendar, or a similar content planning template. Choose the template that best fits your workflow, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template is added, replace the sample content with your own. Update page titles, publishing dates, status, tags, authors, and any other properties to match your content plan. Customize the database by adding or removing properties such as status, platform, due date, priority, or assignee. You can also change the cover image, icons, and layout to suit your preferences. Use different database views such as table, board, or calendar to track your content in the way that works best for you. As you create new content, simply add new entries and update their status to keep your workflow organized. That's how to create a content management system in Notion. Thanks for watching.